YouTube. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, well, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Click the subscribe button, hit the little bell, and let's be friends. Hello, love bugs. How's it going? Five. It's 5 days till Christmas. 5. Okay, y'all. I really wanted to make this video because I was reminiscing. So when I first started YouTube, I'm jumping right into the video. Okay, you saw the title of the video. It's the coffee table styling, but it's like a little like a reminiscing thing. Okay, because that's what I really wanted to do. When I first started YouTube, it was around I took the plunge, I think at fall. And then I really kind of started making videos around Christmas time. And I have a video that is absolutely hilarious. And I mean hilarious. Well, first of all, I'm way younger. It's like 5 years old. I can't believe it. It's like 5. Yeah, it's gonna be 5 or maybe 6. Well, I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to leave it at the end, okay? And I would love for you to watch it. And I would love for you to tell me what you think about it. And there's like dogs barking. And there's me trying to style a coffee table. And it's hilarious. And today we're going to do that too. Why do I think the coffee table is such a important thing? Okay. So for me, the coffee table is so important. It's like the cherry to your sundae. It's the final touch to any living room, family room decor. To me, at the top of any table, really, like the coffee table, the kitchen table, the dining room table, the centerpiece, the thing that you put on these tables, to me, is so important. It sets the mood. And it makes your decor that much better. So you don't have great, amazing, brand new pillows, but you get yourself one little thing on the coffee table, because people are sitting and they're looking at your coffee table. And they're sitting at your kitchen table and they're looking at your centerpiece. And they're sitting at your dining room and they're looking at your centerpiece. So, do you see where I'm going with this? Okay, let's get into the video. I'm gonna move the camera down. We're gonna look at the coffee table. I'm gonna do a couple stylings. I also got very creative this week. Now, I should have been packing. I am a horrible packer. Horrible packer. I'm a horrible packer. No, I need help. I need help in that department. Okay, so I'm just looking down. We'll do a couple. Let's see how many I can come up with. I can come up with a lot. I love doing this, so I can come up with a lot. But I don't want to make the video too long. And you know what? As we decorate, I'll talk. Okay, love bugs, we are at the coffee table. I'm obsessed with coffee tables. I'm telling you, I'm obsessed. I've had so many coffee tables in my life, in my lifespan. It's hilarious. I can't believe how many coffee tables I've had. And when you watch that video, you're gonna see, if you watch that video, which I would love for you to watch it just because it's fun. Okay, so simple, okay? Everybody does this, and this is why I wanted to talk about this. Okay, so you're going to see all over Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, you name it. You're going to see a vase, a candle, a tray, and some decorative thing, okay? This is everybody's go-to. All right, so we've done it. Some people elevate their candles. I got a candle sniffer here. Do you see that there? This one, no joke of a lie, is from Dollar Tree. Now I have one in storage that is so beautiful, and I got it from Amazon, and it literally looks like a Michael Aram dupe. if that makes any sense. But you know what, guys? Okay, everybody's done this. And it's great because it keeps your stuff corralled and you got lots of room to put drinks on and whatever else you want. But it's Christmas and I just want to elevate this look. So let's take this and put this to the side. Now this is very cute and I recommend it, obviously, because I also have it on my coffee table. Okay, let me put this to the side. Okay, let me get the next stuff. Okay, friends, so next look. We're gonna start off with this really beautiful, gorgeous mirrored tray. I love this, okay? Now you could do this on a square coffee table, you could do this on a round coffee table, and you can do it on a rectangular coffee table. This would look so cute. But you're just gonna have to angle your stuff in different ways if you're gonna do it in a rectangle coffee table. I'll explain that in a minute. Okay, so this is, I'm gonna call this the more elegant, refined look, because I just think this is gonna be really cute. Okay, so we got this tray. This one is from Aldi, and I got it on super clearance. Y'all remember that, right? I showed it to you. Okay, then we're gonna take this absolutely very viral faux minka pot. It's the I think it's Pottery Barn, right? Pottery Barn? Yeah. Pottery Barn sells these. They're super expensive. Mine's from Hobby Lobby, and it also comes in a like a really light cream color. And I just added these little sprigs for Christmas. And I'm telling you, this look will take, okay, so I'm not putting my vase in my tray. Why not, Bella? Well, because I want to put in some candle holders. Okay, now why am I going to put the candle holders in the tray? Well, I want them in here for the sparkle, because these are going to get, like, when the light reflects off, oh my goodness. What the heck is on this candle? When the light reflects, when you light these and the light's gonna reflect off the mirror, it's gonna look so cute. And then I'm adding my little Christmas touch to this. I'm adding 2 little tiny, what are these called again? Penguins. Okay, maybe I haven't changed that much in the years past. Y'all, I am so goofy, and this is who I am. This is really who I am. This is such a beautiful table, like coffee table scape. I think this is so beautiful. You got light, you got reflective qualities, you got something beautiful to look at. Your guests are sitting on your couch. There's beautiful music playing in the background. You got a nice drink, and this just looks so high end. And this costs nothing, y'all. Nothing. Costs nothing. Isn't this tray beautiful? I love it. Okay, let's go to another look. Okay, friends. This is probably going. Yeah, I got a couple more, and I wanted to show you. Now, this one is very, very, very simple. Very, very simple. But it's so impactful. You're gonna get yourself 2 matching vases. Now I have mine here. I'm gonna show you something. I have these vases. They're everyday vases. I got them at Hobby Lobby a while ago. They're very neutral. They're like this green with a little bit of brown in them. Very, very neutral, and they're very good everyday decor because these can go from season to season to season. So you don't need to buy yourself anything like brand new for Christmas, like especially when it comes to vases. Buy what you love, and if it's neutral enough, you could always use it from season to season. Okay, but it's what you put inside. This is a pick from Walmart, and I'm pretty sure it's from last year. Now, when you get these kinds of picks, make sure you fluff them out, because when you fluff them out, they always look way better, way better. Now, I'm gonna give you a trick. If these don't sit the way you want them to sit, get yourself a little styrofoam greenery from Dollar Tree and actually put it in, put the styrofoam in the bottom and put it in, and then it'll sit like exactly the way you want it. But I'm pretty good with them. Okay, then so now you have one done, and then so you want height. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just taking this poinsettia and I'm putting the poinsettia and then this pick from Walmart, and because they coordinate and they go with my color scheme this year, I am just doing this, and that's it. So you got one pick hanging down, your beautiful poinsettia, and that's it. How cute is that? You have this on your coffee table during, you know, like an everyday look. It's so cute. How cute is this, y'all? How cute. And so easy to do. And I know you have this stuff. And I know you can do this. If I can do this, you can do this. And I know you can. All right, do you want to see one more look? Let's see one more look. Okay, friends, very last look. And I have been having lots of fun doing this with you guys today. This one is the reason for the season. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get yourself your favorite, absolute favorite vase. This is mine. Now this arrangement is a big one, okay? Might have to pull out so I can show you better. I love this. And I'm using my nativity. And also, I'm putting a little trinket tray, a little trinket dish. It's a little Christmas tree lined in gold, because that goes with my theme, with the candy in it. So that there. And then I'm thinking, let me see how I'm going to style this. 1 second. I had the idea. Yeah. All right. So I'm putting my lantern, because I like things in threes. My nativity, and this is my lantern that lights the way. Isn't that the cutest? That is the cutest. Well, it is the reason for the season. The baby Jesus is the reason why we celebrate Christmas, and I, for one, am really grateful and emotional for this. I know the meaning behind this. Our Savior came to earth to save us from our sins and to help humanity. And I think it's a beautiful, beautiful thing. And if you're not Christian, that is fine. So my lantern is from my Christmas tree. I know many of you have seen it. I called the tree this year Light My Way Home, because I feel a little lost, but that's okay. It is what it is. Anyways, so that's my tablescapes for today. I'm gonna take you off the tripod. I'm gonna show you something that I made during the week. All right, let's go. What do you think? Do you like it? I love it. I think it's really cute. It turned out really nice. Anyways, so I was on the phone with Dad and Angela, and they were like, do not erase the chalkboard. And I'm like, why? And they're like, no, stop erasing your chalkboards, keep them. So I'm going to spray it, I'm going to keep it. So you tell me in the comments if you like it. Speaking of comments, I have to say this year has been a very, very difficult year for me. One of the worst years I've ever had in my life, to tell you the truth. One of the absolute worst years I've had in my life. And I've had some pretty bad years, but this one is topping them all off. Yeah, But as me and Angela say, we're going to be positive. Things are going to turn out better. Things are going to get better. I'm declaring it. I'm declaring it to the high heavens. I'm declaring it to the high heavens that tomorrow is going to be a better day. That from now on, all my days will be filled with joy and happiness and love and prosperity and all the good things. And all the good things. Okay, speaking of this. First of all, I want to wish you all a very, very Merry Christmas and a beautiful and blessed New Year. I will be back before the New Year, I think. I think so. I'm not sure. Am I? Anyways, I'll have to check my ticket. I can't remember. I want to wish you the very, very best. Now, my loyal subscribers, my friends, my peeps, because that's who you are to me. You've been with me for so long. I may not have the most subscribers in YouTube, but I think I have the best subscribers in all of YouTube. And I really mean that from the bottom of my heart. I cannot thank you enough, especially this year, for your kind words, your love, your support, your empathy towards me, your understanding, your kindness. The love that you have shown me this year is immeasurable. And I hope that I can do something for you to show my love and appreciation for you in the upcoming year. There's gonna be a lot of changes. I don't know, but in my heart, I gotta make a lot of changes. A lot. I am not happy. I'm not happy. So in saying that, we're gonna be happy, right, y'all? That's right. We are. We're all gonna be happy. Anyways, I wish you all a very, very Merry Christmas. I love you so, so much from the bottom of my heart. So from me to you, Merry Christmas. May God bless you and keep you, and have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful time with your family and friends. Bye, you two. Bye, everybody.